Aurora House. Aurora House, middle row, first bench, this girl. Can you tell me something about this place? One thing. Only I just want one thing. Like you have seen this. So this is the architecture. Architecture, everybody knows this word? Everybody knows? Okay. There's another boy in Able House, green t-shirt, middle row. You can also come. This girl in Aurora House, she will tell us what she saw there and then you can tell us. Yes. Very good. But your voice is not clear. Could you please be more like come more closer to the yes? Yes, Aurora?
Ma'am, it is made by Shah Jahan.
Very good. It is made by Shah Jahan, who was the Mughal emperor. Yes. And what material has been used here? ये बिल्डिंग किस चीज से बनी है? Everybody knows. Very good. Able House. On my right, green t-shirt. On my right, green t-shirt. Third or fourth bench, that boy. I'll see it. Yes.
Ma'am, white marble.
It is made from white marble. And do you know the kind of work which is done on this? ये जो सारा ये जो बने हुए ना like designs which are made. What is it called? Yes, yes, the boy in the middle row, Able House, Ajo. You're so eager to answer. And I told you Arjun House, middle row. Yes. What do you call this?
Ma'am, they are flowers.
Yeah, but you know, it has a special name. This kind of flowers which are made, they're called filigree work. Filigree. You should remember all these words. Put them in your kitty, vocabulary. ऐसे आपकी English better, like you know, more words. It's called filigree work. Okay? ऐसे ही जब गहनों पे भी बनते हैं, it's called filigree work. वो जाली बनती है, छोटे छोटे flowers बनते हैं, all this. And another thing which was made, like you know, here, which was done, was called Pietra Dora. Okay, Pietra Dora. And Pietra Dora was like, you know, it is an art of putting stones inside it. ये जो फूल पत्ते बने थे ना, इनके अंदर real gemstones लगाए थे. अब तो नहीं है, सारे निकाल लिए. They have removed everything. Okay, some were removed by Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb and later Mughal rulers. And you have a real gold, real emeralds, real rubies, real moti. So you can imagine how beautiful this whole building must be. And beautiful white marble. Yes, this girl who's raised her hand, please come out. Arjun House, center row, green t-shirt. Yes, come out. Tell me one more. I want words. I want more words. Okay? So, what are the words you will use?
It is located in Agra.
Okay, location. Very good. Location. Very good. See, these are the words. Where is it located?
Ma'am, due to its white marble changes into yellow color.
Yeah. And now because of Mathura refineries, वो बहुत सारा धुआं उड़ता है ना refineries का, उससे भी वो पीला हो गया. But the shade of the sun and the shade, like you know, the light of the moon also make it change its color. Anyway, let me come. When you go to look at such things, what do you call it? जब तुम चीजें देखने जाते हो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कौन सा word है?
Excuse me, ma'am.
When you go to look at things, buildings देखने जाते हो, you go for all these things, you visit a new country or a new state. What do you call that? There is a word used. Yes, that boy in Able House who's wearing a turban on my right. Yes, Beta, you're sitting by the window. Yes,
Ma'am?
Beta, that, yes, bolo bachche.
Ma'am, please join Bharat Ratna.
Okay, Bharat Ratna is not there. Okay.
Monuments.
Monuments, very good. These buildings are monuments. Yes. All these old buildings which are there, we call them monuments. Very good. See how many new words you must write down. And जब हम इनको देखने जाते हैं, we call it देखो ये word सबको आता है? If like, have you heard about this word or come across this word before? Sightseeing. Whenever you go to a new place, you say, "What are the places where I would like to go some sightseeing?" Sightseeing normally, like वहाँ की जो historical important places होती हैं, they are called sightseeing. So, places which you go and see. Okay. So sightseeing, architecture, when you see monuments, location, and all these things are very important for Taj Mahal. Okay. It is, which city is it located? All of you know. Okay. It's located in Agra. Agra is in which state of India? Yes, Able House, middle row, the child in red t-shirt who's raised his hand. Agra is in which state of India?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. So it is located, location is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It's a monument. Which kind of monument it is? Which kind of monument? What do you call it?
It is one of the 17 wonders.
One of the,
17 wonders.
okay. Yes, so it was once upon a time, it was one of the 7 wonders. Okay, it is a, if I say monument, what kind of monument? It is a historical. See how many words you want to see. We have religious monuments like temples and all. We have historical monuments. This is like a historical, like Red Fort. They are historical because they are related with history. Okay, yes. So this is a historical monument, one of the 7 wonders of the world. In medieval world, okay, we have now, there was ancient 7 wonders of the world. वो तो पता नहीं कहाँ गए, like they are lost. I think so. एक आधा कोई रह गया. All hanging Garden of Babylon and all that gone. Okay. Then we have the middle world. That is, it was one of the 7 wonders in medieval. And now we have the contemporary, right now, the present wonders, modern wonders of the world. And now we have those 7. Okay, so they keep changing with time. So we have this. Now, any questions you would like to ask about this? One question which I have is, why do we travel? Why? Why do we travel? I want people to come up with answers. Dronacharya, anyone? You are one of, your name speaks of one of the greatest teachers. Okay, so I want you to come here and kind of come here and tell us. Who are, oh, what happened? What did I do? Aurora House, your classroom is blurred. Okay, why do we travel? Who will come out and answer? Grammy, anyone wants to come out and answer? What is the reason? Why do we travel? Tell me. Anyone? Yes. I can see some from Aurora House. Come out, come out. Yes, the boy in white t-shirt. आपका कैमरा बहुत blur है Aurora House. Could you please fix your camera? Thank you. Yes. Why do we travel? Reason. अच्छा मैंने घर. Yes.
Enjoyment.
What?
Enjoyment.
Yes. So what is the word for enjoyment? What word are we going to use for enjoyment? Yes. See, the words which are associated with travel for. Yes, enjoy. To enjoy. Okay.
Adventure.
Enjoyment, we can say recreation. Okay, for recreation.
Doing fun.
For
Doing fun.
for knowledge. See, now look at, since the time I read about, when I was in class 5, I read about Grand Canyon. Okay, it was in my geography. From that day, I just wanted to visit that place because I was fascinated. And believe me, last year, not even last, yes, in 2024, I got a chance to visit it. So I was in grade 5. And after like 40 years, I get a chance to see this place, probably more than 40 years. So that is for knowledge, and for excitement. We travel for excitement also. एक जगह रह रहे के बोर हो जाते हैं, so you want to go. So excitement. And for what? For leisure. This is like, you can take a staycation. Staycation मतलब कहीं जाके अच्छे से resort में रह लो. वहाँ पे resort में you have lot of good food, you have lot of good facilities. You just relax, you enjoy, and these kind of things. So we have all these things, yes. Then what else? Okay. So basically, when you go to this place, why do you want to go? Why would you like to go to this kind of a place? किस लिए जाना है तुम्हें? Okay. Able House, green t-shirt on my left. आ जाओ. Come. Why would you like to go to this place?
Make ourselves feel good.
Yes, because see, it is a historical monument. It's an amazing building. It's a heritage. It's our heritage and our culture, and we want to learn about it. So we want to go and experience. Pictures में देख के, like, experience. We travel. The biggest reason we travel is experience. Okay, sometimes we travel to meet friends and relatives also. Okay, somebody is living, like, probably one of your uncle lives in Delhi, so you will travel to Delhi. Then you will decide to go on a sightseeing. You will go on sightseeing, or lived in Agra, so you will go and you will see. So these kind of things. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Next site. This is even more interesting. Okay, what is this? What is this site? Who will tell me what is this site? Yes. Emmy, central row, first bench, green t-shirt. What is this? It's a beach. It's a beach. Very good. Okay. Why do, we live in Punjab and we don't have ocean or sea here. So if we want to experience this, we have to go to a place which has beaches. Which is the most famous and popular place which has beaches? Okay. Arjun House, middle row, blue t-shirt. Which is the most famous place?
Goa.
Very good, Goa. Okay. So in India, we have the most popular place is Goa. Like, and what word will we use for Goa? Which is the most popular? Yes. Booker House, red t-shirt on my right. Aja beta. Which word? There is a typical word we use. Most popular. Yes.
But
It is like destination. Okay. The word here uses, we will not say Goa. Like the most popular beach destination is Goa. Destination is the word. You should all write these words and you should all use them in your vocabulary. Keep on adding them in your kitty. ऐसे जैसे you have a bag. Okay, this is a new word. Put it there. And then take it out. Reuse it. Put it back. Use it. Like, you have so many destinations. So when you start your travel, जब हम टिकट बुक करते हैं तो वो कहते नहीं है स्टार्ट जर्नी स्टार्ट एंड डेस्टिनेशन वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो सो दिस इज इट ओके सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू कैन डू हियर in this place. Okay? Anyone from Aurora? Yes, I can see a hand raised. Last bench on my right. Aja beta, what kind of things can be done here?
Relaxation.
Relaxing. So this is another word, relaxing or relaxation. Now see, we go to vacation for relaxation. We are tired of our daily routine and we want a change. So we go to a different place. Okay, we can stay at home and relax, but no, we go to a different place to experience, to a different destination to experience. Yes, a boy in Aurora house, green t-shirt, jaldi se aa jao, dod ke. Come on, in the corner, he's sitting by the wall. Yes. So we go to these places.
Swimming.
Swimming, very good. What else can you do?
Boating.
You can take boat rides. Yes, boat rides. What can you do? Emmy, yes, Emmy, center row, first bench. The boy was raised, green t-shirt. Ajo. What else can we do here? What? Trekking? Yes, we can go trekking also here. Yes. Batao? Yes, so we can go trekking. Okay, I think. So we go trekking, destination, relaxing, swimming, boat rides, trekking. We do so many fun things. Okay, what else can we do? Tell me, what else can we do in such places? सबसे important चीज you are forgetting. What is cuisine? What is cuisine? Tell me. What is cuisine? Who will tell me what is cuisine? Who will tell me? वहां का खाना, local food. Okay? Now, whatever is your local food, that is local cuisine. cuisine, cuisine. What is the local cuisine? वहां का गोवा का local cuisine क्या है? Like, you will go. If you go to Agra, what is the local cuisine? Like mainly influenced by probably like the traditional foods. Go to some other country, you will find local cuisine. So one thing is whenever we go for this, we normally taste food. Yes, Able House, Central Row, both the children. You want to come out and tell me something? Come out. Yes.
Ma'am, seafood.
Seafood. Very good. How many of you, like, seafood is the basic, like, you will see lobster, clams, all these foods. Like, what else? Prawns, different kind of saltwater fish. In Punjab, we normally get, like, fish which comes from Vietnam, basa fish or something. But there you will find the local freshwater fish. Yes, Emmy, first bench. Both the boys, come out. What do you want to tell about this? ये क्या है? You will take cruise. Day cruise. Okay, cruises are like, they take you on the ship. It's like a larger boat Not like a boat ride, and then they could take you somewhere. Yes. This is a theme. Yes. Yes. I can't hear you. Okay. Yes. Now let us now think normally of all the words till now you have understood. आप कहाँ जाके रहते हो? When you go on a trip, where do you go and stay? कौन सी जगह में रहते हो? Yes, the girl in red Booker house. Where do you go and stay?
I'm in hotels.
Where?
I'm in hotel.
Yes, hotel. It is hotel. Okay. We pronounce it as hotel. So you go and live in hotels. Okay. And or you can go Airbnb. Airbnb. That is like, where you can cook your own food also, or you can go out and eat. This is like bread and breakfast sometimes, or sometimes just the accommodation. So you have the word accommodation. I will write down here. So we have accommodation. So all these places, these are all the new words. Okay. Now I want to know which are the 10 words you learned right now. अपनी notebook में लिखो सारे. Or 10 words which you learned about all this. And now I'm going to ask questions, so be ready with the answers. Okay, have you written the 10 words? Who will come and tell me which are the 10 words you have written, which you remember today you learned from these two? Which are the 10 words you learned? Who will come? Even if there are 5 words you learned, you will come. Even if you could get 5 words, because that's amazing if you get 5 words also. Who will come out? Now, let us, nobody is coming out, so I have written a few more words. Okay. Itinerary. Have you come across this word? What is this? Itinerary. What is it? It is like, the plan you make. Now, when you go for a vacation or go for a holiday, you don't just do anything. You actually plan. कि हम ये दिन से ये दिन तक जाएंगे. This is the mode of transport we are going to take. Then You always have a budget. Okay, हमने अपनी holiday पे 1 lakh खर्चना है, 2 lakh खर्चना है. Like, if the whole family goes, you want to travel by air, 2 lakh is nothing. You can even might end up spending more. Okay, you want to go by train, you want to go by aeroplane, you want to go by road. It's up to you. Okay, and वहाँ पे whatever you do, day one, sightseeing, we will do. Okay, so where will you live? Lodging. You want what kind of an accommodation? Okay, so accommodation, lodging, they are the same. Like you want to stay in a very expensive hotel, you want to stay in a medium hotel, you want to stay in a Oyo hotel, depends on your budget. Okay, you want to stay in Airbnb, hostel, wherever, like then souvenirs when you come back. Okay, so when you're coming back, you buy stuff from that place. Okay, you can buy magnets which you put on your refrigerator, or you can buy like choti moti cheezein. Like when you go to a beach place, you mostly end up buying things made of shells, seashells. Okay, you will और वहाँ की कोई local चीज जो अच्छी है खाने की, like गोवा जाओगे तो आप काजू लेके आओगे. Feni तो वो लाने नहीं देते. Like Senine talks about the drink है, and like lot of other things you might bring with yourself. Okay, तो जो सामान होता है, जो सामान हम लेके जाते हैं उसको हम लगेज बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? लगेज. So that is your luggage. Did you know about this word? How many of you knew luggage? Very good. Excellent. That's amazing. That's amazing. And how many of you use it? You know the word, but how many of you use it also? Yes. So whenever you travel, जो आपका सामान होता है वो आपका luggage होता है. What is it? It's your luggage. Commute. Commute मतलब how will you go from one place to another when you reach the destination? Okay, how will you commute? वहां पे आप local car लोगे कि you decide to go bicycling, beach पे गए तो you want to cycle, or you want to take some local like bus, or you want to hire a taxi, like what? So that is how you commute locally. Commute means going from one place to another. You want to go sightseeing, how will you do that? And the whole thing is your journey. The whole. When you start from home, you reach the destination, you start from destination, you reach back home. That's your journey back and forth. Okay, so you go back and forth, like that's a journey how you went, and the whole thing is called your trip. And somebody will ask you, how was your trip? And you'll say, oh, it was wonderful. How was your journey? My journey while going was really adventurous. My journey while coming back was too boring. Okay, or my journey was very adventurous. So journey is while you're going, how was it? And trip is the overall. How was the whole thing, the whole experience? And resorts. You know what are resorts? They are another way, like nowadays everybody likes to go and stay instead of a hotel, you will go and stay in a resort, because resorts will give you so many amenities. Amenities are like swimming pool hoga, snooker room hoega, like when you have some games, they will even like they will even plan your itinerary. They will even plan this. They will how you will spend the day. They will give you a local guide who will take you to different places. He will plan your day. They will take you sightseeing. They will book your tickets. They do everything. Okay, so this is how things are. Okay, now I have a few questions. Okay, I have a few questions. I hope you have written down all these words also, because they're very important. You must write down. Okay, now, what kind of place is this? What kind of place? Yes? Anyone from Aurora? What kind of place is this? Okay, I can see a child in yellow t-shirt. Aurora House, come out. What kind of place is this?
The mountain.
Mountain. So you go to a mountainous place. Okay, you have lots of fun. यहाँ पे कैसी एक्टिविटीज होती हैं माउंटेन एरियाज में? यहाँ पे कैसी एक्टिविटीज होते हैं? यस, बुकर हाउस, मिडिल रो, आई कुड सी 2 or 3 hands raised. Even Booker House, last bench, green t-shirt girl. You can come and tell me quickly. आ जाओ. What kind of activities do we have here? Normal, like जो सारे करते हैं. Yes. What kind of activities are done here? Tell me.
Jumping.
Yes, that is true. Horse riding. That is one very, very common thing. Yes, trekking. Okay. So you have another trekking, then you have bungee jumping. What else? Paragliding. Paragliding करते हैं कि नहीं? Okay. Abel House, middle row, red t-shirt and blue t-shirt. Both of you can come. So these are like very normal. What else? What else?
Ma'am, skiing.
Perfect. In winters. In winters. Skiing. What else can we do in winters? What else can we do in winters? एक skiing होती है, skiing के साथ एक और भी होती है चीज. Like you sit on something and you slide down a slope. Yes, Abel House, green t-shirt on my right. What else?
Ma'am, play with the snow.
Yes, you play in the snow and sledding. Like आप ऐसे छोटी सी बोट सी बनी होती है उसमें बैठ के like you come down on the from a slope. That is called sledding. So you do sledding also here. Okay. So sledding, and you have like so many other, like you can really go for long walks. You enjoy the local food. को क्या बोलेंगे? Local. Which is the word which is used? I just gave you the word. Yes, Emmy House, middle row, green t-shirt. Quickly. Cuisine. So you will enjoy the local cuisine. Okay, wherever you go. We will not keep eating our favorite Punjabi food. We will try some other cuisines. Yes, Aurora House, central row, the girl in blue t-shirt. Yes, come better. What else would you do here? एक और चीज करते हैं जो टूरिस्ट होते हैं. क्या करते हैं वो जाके वहां पे? It starts with S. Yes, girl, what do you want to say?
We can do here the flying above the flowing river.
What? Could you repeat?
We can do here the flying also.
Okay, very good. And we do shopping. Shopping and all these things. So these are the yes, these are the things which related. I want you all to do one thing which we will discuss in the next class. I want you to do. I want you people to enjoy and do some research. ये क्या है? What is this? Has anyone ever been here to a place like this? Very good. Dronacharya, middle row, that girl who has raised her hand. Please come and tell us your experience.
And this is a type of forest.
Yes, it is a type. What do you call it? What do you call this? Like when you go for this kind of tourism, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Okay, Booker House, middle row. The girl in red t-shirt was raised her hand. आ जाओ. Middle row. जल्दी से आओ बेटा, because time हो गया. I have another 2 minutes. And I want to ask everyone a question which I want you to do. Next time you will come and share with us your experiences. So what is this? It is a forest. It is a jungle. But what is this? What is Please, would you please tell me? Booker House, there is a child, girl, sitting like, right by the wall, who is raising her hand. By the wall. And on my right, yes, that girl. Yellow t-shirt, jaldi se aa jao. Why that girl hasn't answered? Jaldi batao bachche, because time is getting over. जंगल तो है लेकिन ऐसे जब हम जंगल में what is it called? Okay, able house on my left by the wall. Last bench में जो दो लड़कियां बैठी हुई हैं, आ जाओ एक जनी फटाफट आओ. What do you call it? I want that word. This is a jungle, and why are these people here in open jeeps? Aren't they afraid of this animal? This is not a cat. It is a cat, but not the regular cat. The house cat नहीं है.
मैम जू.
Zoo में animal जंगल में घूमते हैं? No.
जंगल सफारी.
Yes, it is a jungle safari. And you go there and you travel in these jeeps and you see animals in their natural habitat. And it's your luck. It's not necessary that you will see a tiger. You might see a tiger, you might see elephants, you might see bears, you might see different animals. Okay. So this is like a jungle safari. Okay. So here you are, you go there, you live there. इंडिया में एक जंगल सफारी बताओ where you can go to watch tigers. Okay, able center row first bench, the boy in white t-shirt. One popular destination or one popular jungle safari. There are many. I'm just talking about one.
Ma'am, it is in Ludhiana.
Which one?
Ma'am, I don't know the name.
Okay, I can tell you one. Jane. Okay. Have you heard about Jim Corbett Farm? Jim Corbett. It is in Uttarakhand. Amazing. And sometimes you should all plan a trip here. Ask your moms and dads. I'm telling you, it is going to be the experience of your life. The experience of your life. It is going to be. So Jim Corbett, beautiful place, beautiful experience. You should all try it once. Okay? Now, I want you all to do this. Plan your winter vacation. My travelogue. Travelogue is when you write your experiences. जैसे हम डायरी लिखते हैं ना, डायरी में अपना day to day things लिखते हैं. Travelogue is when you write about your travels. Okay? Start making a travelogue, all of you. Whenever you travel, उसमें अपने experience, अपने adventures, अपने problems, जो भी आपके साथ हुआ है, वो you can write into that, like good and bad. Okay? For every travel, it can be, even if it's a short travel, you can write. And I want all of you to plan your winter vacation. Next class, we will discuss that. I want and use these words. Everyone, write from and use the words itinerary, travelogue, like your luggage, your plan, your tickets, your bookings, your accommodation, your mode of transportation, your budget, everything. All these words have to be included in it. Please plan it, okay? And I'll be very happy. There is nothing wrong or right in it, but I want all of you to plan your whatever way you want to. So thank you, children. And I have a lot of questions which we can discuss next time. So it's going to be a lot of talking. Next time, a lot of talking. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rachit. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. हाँ जी, class 6, good morning. How are you students? Good. चलिए, अब मुझे बताइए आज वाली वर्कशीट किस किस को मिल गई है? Show me your worksheet. Everybody. Okay, down. So I am giving you 10 minutes. Do this worksheet. जितनी आती है बातें नहीं करनी. Do this worksheet. उसके बाद हम डिस्कस करते हैं. जल्दी से. Quickly. Everybody. किसी ने बातें नहीं करके बेटा. Very good students, intelligent students of all the classes. Please concentrate on your worksheets. You have 10 minutes to do. चलिए कीजिए फटाफट. करिए first 5 questions. Arjun, yes, the girl with the red t-shirt, yes, third bench. आ जाइए, पहले माइक ऑन कीजिए.
Ma'am, first question answer is C option.
They take millions of years for formation. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Because fossil fuels बनते कैसे हैं बेटा? ध्यान से इधर देखो. Fossil fuels, how they are formed. Everybody see here. Dead organisms. Buried deep in earth. And in which conditions? ये वर्कशीट के साथ या कॉपी में थोड़ा थोड़ा नोट करना है. तो due to high temperature हाई प्रेशर। क्या कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए? हाई टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, हाई प्रेशर होना चाहिए, नो माइक्रोब्स, कोई बैक्टीरिया नहीं होने चाहिए, एंड अंडर दीज कंडीशंस इन मैनी, या मैनी ना करके इन hundreds of years, the dead bodies are changed into coal, petroleum, etc. That is fossil fuel. तो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स हम कहते हैं कि डेड बॉडीज से बन रहे हैं, बट दे आर कॉल्ड एज नॉन रिन्यूएबल. वी जनरली से कि सेव फ्यूल. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट टेक मिलियंस ऑफ इयर्स टू कन्वर्ट डेड बॉडीज इनटू फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. एवरीबॉडी हियर. अर्जुन बॉयज इधर बेटा, मिडल लो, आपस में नहीं, आपस में सीधे होके बैठो बेटा, ऐसे करके नहीं, सीधे होके बैठो. ठीक है, सिट स्ट्रेट. So question number 1, option C. Then question number 2, which pair correctly matches a renewable and a non-renewable source? Booker में, yes, the girl standing in Booker.
Option A.
Option A, water is renewable, whereas petroleum is non-renewable. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Then question number 3, able. Yes, able. Yes, the last girl, the girl with blue shirt. The student with the blue shirt in the last. Yes. If human beings using natural resources faster than nature can replenish them, what will likely occur?
Ma'am, option B.
ऑप्शन बी बॉम्बे, बिल्कुल ठीक है. दैट इज रिसोर्स डिप्लीशन. वो खत्म हो जाएंगे एंड देयर विल बी इम्बैलेंस इन द नेचर. वेरी गुड. देन ग्रेमी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which reasoning correctly explains why air is considered a renewable resource? Yes, Grammy. Yes, the first boy. हाँ जी, middle row, first boy. आ जाइए. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, its supply can be maintained through the natural carbon and oxygen cycle.
वेरी गुड. देखिए बेटा, देखिए दैट इज, यहाँ पे एक हम और कह सकते हैं, नेचुरल कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन साइकिल्स. इट इज नेचुरल कार्बन. यहाँ पे देख लो, और अभी हम फटाफट से लेट्स डू इट क्विकली. कार्बन साइकिल सबने अपनी कॉपीज में बनानी है, राइट? तो कार्बन साइकिल में क्या है? CO2 इन एयर. हाउ CO2 इन एयर कम्स? Respiration of plants and animals. It produces carbon dioxide. Then burning of fossil fuels. इनसे क्या हो रही है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऐड हो रही है एयर में. इधर देखिए, एवरीबडी हियर, एवरीबडी ऑन द स्क्रीन. बट ये यूज कहाँ पे हो रही है? That is used by plants for photosynthesis. Right? Then plants respire and gives out carbon dioxide. Then death of plants and animals. They form fossil fuels, and fossil fuels के burning से फिर CO2 air में जा बना लो everybody. So CO2 is maintained in the air by the carbon cycle. Then there is oxygen cycle. O2 in air, animals. क्या हुआ? रेस्पिरेशन. ध्यान से इधर. रेस्पिरेशन से क्या निकली? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टेकन बाय प्लांट्स. Plants do photosynthesis, and in photosynthesis they liberate carbon dioxide. They liberate oxygen here. This is oxygen cycle. Simple. बना लोगे, आती है, very good. बना लोगे तो उसका कोई नुकसान नहीं है. Draw it quickly. Oxygen cycle. और थोड़ा सा इसको भी साइक्लिक वे में मैं बता दूं, थोड़ा सा फटाफट से इजी सी वे में, ये भी इजी हो जाएगा. जैसे ऑक्सीजन साइकिल बनाइए. CO2 in air, plants, they do photosynthesis, give off oxygen taken by animals, use oxygen in respiration, and liberate CO2. उसके बाद plants respiration again, then death of plants and animals, fossil fuels, burning gives CO2. ठीक है, दोनों बना लो जल्दी से, फटाफट. चलिए बनाते भी जाइए और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी मुझे बताइए. यस एमी. Emmy, question number 5. Yes, the towards window, the boy on the third bench, I think. Yes, come.
Okay.
ऑप्शन ए, सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, रॉक्स से सॉइल बनती है, दैट टेक्स हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स फॉर फॉर्मेशन, बिल्कुल ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, बोरलॉग, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, बोरलॉग। यस, कोई तो हैंड रेज करे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के लिए। यस, द बॉय इन द मिडल रो, आ जाइए आ जाइए। A student argues that solar panels are renewable because they use sunlight. Is this correct? माइक ऑन करो बच्चे। हाँ,
Yes, because sunlight is renewable source, even planets are
ठीक है। ए, सनलाइट इज रिन्यूएबल। बुकार बॉयज, सो सनलाइट इज रिन्यूएबल, जबकि सोलर पैनल्स भी तो रिन्यूएबल है, बार बार बन सकते हैं फैक्ट्री में। सो इट इज ए। यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द्रोणाचार्य, द्रोणाचार्य, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, देखो जरा। एयरप्लेन्स यूजुअली फ्लाई इन द लोअर लेयर ऑफ द स्ट्रेटोस्फियर। स्ट्रेटोस्फियर मैंने आपको लेयर्स बताई थी, दैट इज, दिस इज अर्थ, अर्थ के बाहर जो ये वाली लेयर है, दैट इज ट्रोपोस्फियर। इसके बाद है स्ट्रेटोस्फियर, mesosphere, and this is thermosphere. और उसके बाद स्पेस आ जाती है। ये एनवायरनमेंट की लेयर्स है, यहां से यहां तक 1600 किलोमीटर। और उसके बाद स्पेस आ जाती है, जहां पे एयर खत्म हो जाती है, कुछ होता ही नहीं है, ब्लैक है स्पेस। एयरप्लेन्स यूजुअली फ्लाई इन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रेटोस्फियर और अपर पार्ट ऑफ ट्रोपोस्फियर, यहाँ पे कहीं पे फ्लाई करते हैं। ठीक है, वाई? यस, द्रोणाचार्य, एनीबडी? द्रोणाचार्य, रोल नंबर 5, रोल नंबर 5, द्रोणाचार्य, आ जाओ जल्दी से, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, कम कम कम, क्विकली। somebody switch on the mic, द्रोणाचार्य में somebody switch on the mic। बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स आगे का करें, माइक स्विच ऑन कीजिए बेटा। हाँ बोलो, यस, कौन सा आंसर?
मैम बी ऑप्शन।
ऑप्शन बी, बॉम्बे, द वेदर इज स्टेबल, क्योंकि स्टॉर्म्स जो है वो सारी ट्रोपोस्फियर में ही है। उसके बाद एनवायरनमेंट शांत है, बिल्कुल स्टेबल है, नो स्टॉर्म्स। सो ऑप्शन बी, वेदर इज स्टेबल एंड देयर आर नो स्टॉर्म्स, बिल्कुल ठीक। ऑरोरा, ऑरोरा में रोल नंबर 12, ऑरोरा रोल नंबर 12, आओ जल्दी से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, मैम बी ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन बी, बॉम्बे, troposphere is essential for the life because it has air, because it has water cycle, because it has, you know, water vapors, rainfall, clouds, ये सब कहाँ पे है? ट्रोपोस्फियर में है। बिल्कुल ठीक है, बैठो बेटा। देन अर्जुन, अर्जुन में रोल नंबर 23, रोल नंबर 23, अर्जुन। 23 नहीं है तो 24 आ जाइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ऑन करो, माइक ऑन कर दो, 23 अगर है। आ जाइए, 23 नहीं तो 24, 25, somebody come।
मैम डी ऑप्शन।
ऑप्शन डी है विच, ये है सैटेलाइट्स ऑर्बिट द अर्थ इन एक्सोस्फियर।
मैम बी।
बी, यस, इट हैज एक्सट्रीमली लो एयर डेंसिटी। बी बॉम्बे, बिल्कुल ठीक है। तो दिस इज सैटेलाइट, क्योंकि वहां पे एयर नहीं है, स्टॉर्म्स नहीं है, फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगी, तो आराम से चल सके। बैठो बेटा।
एक्चुअली
हाँ जी,
मैम you said option A of fifth question.
ऑप्शन ए ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। हाँ जी, हमने यही बताया बेटा।
मैम but soil is renewable.
सॉइल इज, हम कह देते हैं बेटा रिन्यूएबल, ठीक है, बट हम उसको नॉन रिन्यूएबल कैटेगरी में क्यों डालते हैं? क्योंकि बहुत हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स लग जाते हैं बनने में, इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि सॉइल इरोजन हो रही है तो ये हार्मफुल है, फर्टाइल सॉइल खत्म ही होगी। ठीक है, तो इट इज, वैसे तो बन जाती है, गैदरिंग होगी दोबारा से बनेगी, रॉक से ही तो बननी है, बट इट इज कैटेगराइज्ड एज नॉन रिन्यूएबल। क्यों नॉन रिन्यूएबल कहते हैं? क्योंकि इसको बहुत टाइम लगता है, राइट?
मैम लेकिन मैम इसको होने में भी बहुत टाइम लगता है।
क्या, किसको बनने में?
मैम soil को मैम खत्म होने में मैम बहुत टाइम लगता है और मैम अभी soil बन भी रही है। मैम साथ साथ में वो तो बनती रहती है soil।
नहीं नहीं, साथ साथ नहीं बनती बेटा, क्योंकि माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी चाहिए। किसी भी एक बैरन लैंड से कैसे बनेगी कि हम ट्रीज काट देंगे, है ना, या फिर जो बिल्कुल ही स्टोन वाली रॉक्स होंगी वो टूटेंगी किसी टाइम, तभी रॉक बनेगी। तो ऐसे तो फॉसिल्स भी साथ साथ बन रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट हम सॉइल को बहुत, बट इरोजन भी बहुत हो रही है, ठीक है, इसलिए हम रिन्यूएबल नहीं कहते, क्योंकि सॉइल यूज बहुत हम कर रहे हैं फार्मिंग के लिए, ठीक है, इसलिए टॉप सॉइल खत्म हो रही है, और उसको बनने में हम यहाँ पे मेन बात कर रहे हैं टॉप सॉइल, राइट, इसलिए ये नॉन रिन्यूएबल है। नई सॉइल बनने में बहुत टाइम लगता है। इज इट ओके? ठीक
मैम
है।
यस।
हाँ जी, बुकर में, बुकर में,
मैम
हाँ जी,
excuse me मैम in the question in the seventh question you said that weather is stable and there are no storms.
इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8,
And the seventh.
7, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा।
But in the news, they are coming that the plane crashed due to stormy weather.
बेटा मैंने आपको क्या कुछ बताया है, बिल्कुल ठीक है। एयरप्लेन्स जो है वो दो हम कह देते हैं, या तो अपर लेयर ऑफ ट्रोपोस्फियर या लोअर लेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेटोस्फियर। जब प्लेन जो है अभी चल रहा है, अभी तक वो स्ट्रेटोस्फियर में पहुंचा नहीं है, स्टॉर्म्स वगैरह आ गई है तो क्रैशिंग हो जाती है। इज इट राइट? ठीक है, जनरली हम प्लेन्स अगर स्ट्रेटोस्फियर में पहुंच जाए फिर तो चल रहा है, बट किसी जगह पे वो ट्रोपोस्फियर में आ जाए, जब ऊपर जा रहा है, जब नीचे आ रहा है, तो वहां पे ड्यू टू स्टॉर्म्स एंड ऑल दैट क्रैशिंग occurs. Is it okay? We went to America in June, है ना, तो वहां पर हमें 2 घंटे हमारी फ्लाइट डिले हो गई, क्योंकि इतना स्टॉर्म्स थी, इतनी विंड्स थी। तो उसने, वो कहते हैं अगर ऊपर पहुंच जाएगा तो फिर कोई विंड्स का कोई फायदा, मतलब नुकसान नहीं है, देयर इज नो हार्म ऑफ द विंड्स, बट if it is going to take a flight, it has to cross the troposphere, and if there are winds, if there are storms, then it cause damage to the fleet. Is it okay? ठीक है, चलिए। नेक्स्ट इज बुकर। बुकर में आ जाइए, रोल नंबर 19, 1919। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। The earth is becoming warmer because, ऑप्शन ए आपने कहा है सन इज मूविंग क्लोजर टू अर्थ है, ये कहां से हो गया? नहीं, सन कैसे मूव करेगा? यस, देयर इज बॉय स्टैंडिंग देयर इन बुकर। हाँ जी, आप आइए, सुनो बेटा, इसके बाद का आंसर सुनो, क्यों फॉर्म हो रही है पूरी बोलो, ऑप्शन क्या है?
मैम इंक्रीजिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन एयर ट्रैप्स फॉर हीटिंग एटमॉस्फेयर, ठीक है,
क्योंकि एयर पोल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, CO2 बढ़ रहा है, ड्यू टू विच इट ट्रैप्स मोर ऑफ सोलर रेडिएशन. Carbon dioxide, when there is increase in carbon dioxide, it traps more solar radiations. Next, ME. ME, roll number 8. ME, roll number 8. Roll number 8, question number 11. अगर ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, लिख लो एग्जाम्पल, लिख लो, सच एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है, अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अर्थ पे से निकल जाएगी तो क्या होगा? माइक ऑन कीजिए पहले. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, देखो, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सन की रेडिएशंस को ट्रैप कर रही है. अगर बहुत ज्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हो जाएगी तो बहुत ज्यादा सन की रेडिएशंस को ट्रैप करेगी और अर्थ बहुत गर्म हो जाएगी. और अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बिल्कुल नहीं रही तब क्या होगा बेटा?
सी ऑप्शन,
ओजोन लेयर वैनिश. ओजोन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का तो कोई नहीं है बेटा, ऑप्शन ए. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर सनलाइट बिल्कुल ही ट्रैप नहीं की तो अर्थ बहुत ठंडी हो जाएगी, राइट? इट विल गेट टू कोल्ड. सो ऑप्शन ए. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जरूरी भी है बट बहुत सारी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज हार्मफुल, राइट? नेक्स्ट, एबल. एबल में रोल नंबर 15. एबल, रोल नंबर 15. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का मतलब है इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. माइक ऑन करो बेटा. बॉरलॉग में रोल नंबर 30 ने आंसर देना है अगला, तो आंसर देखते रहे. एबल बेटा माइक ऑन कीजिए. हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट हो रहे हैं. ग्लेशियर्स मीन जो बर्फ के बहुत बड़े बड़े पहाड़ हैं वो मेल्ट हो रहे हैं. विच मोस्ट, हाँ जी, क्या आएगा?
ऑप्शन बी.
ऑप्शन बी, राइज इन सी लेवल, है ना? पानी कहाँ जाएगा? समुद्र में ही जाएगा, सी में, ओशंस में जाएगा. तो राइज इन सी लेवल कॉजिंग फ्लडिंग. ठीक है, बच्चों ने जाना है बेटा, बस हम फटाफट से खत्म कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, ओजोन इन स्ट्रेटोस्फियर इज एसेंशियल. यस, ऑरोरा. ऑरोरा. somebody else, ऑरोरा. हाँ जी, इधर से येलो शर्ट में जो बॉय है आ जाओ फटाफट. फटाफट खत्म करेंगे बेटा. अगर ओजोन एसेंशियल है, क्यों है? माइक ऑन करो जल्दी से.
ऑप्शन,
कौन सी ऑप्शन है? सी. इट एब्जॉर्ब हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस. बिल्कुल ठीक है. बॉरलॉग में रोल नंबर 30. बॉरलॉग, रोल नंबर 30. आ जाइए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन? माइक ऑन कीजिए. एक बच्चे का हाथ खड़ा है, मुझे रोल नंबर, हाँ जी, 30 बोलो बेटा.
सॉइल इरोजन एंड फ्लड्स.
सॉइल इरोजन एंड फ्लडिंग, बिल्कुल ठीक है, वेरी गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, द्रोणाचार्य. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, रोल नंबर 15, द्रोणाचार्य, रोल नंबर 15. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, माइक ऑन करो. 15 नहीं है तो 16 आ जाओ, 17, somebody का.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, in 14th question, B option is
Excuse me, ma'am, 50 roll number is absent.
कोई बात नहीं, 16 आ जाइए. पहले क्वेश्चन का, हाँ, किसी ने मुझसे पूछना था डाउट. यस.
ma'am, but soil erosion is direct.
Landslide, the loss of fertile topsoil.
Soil erosion, बेटा यहाँ पे फ्लड्स तो इनडायरेक्ट ही है ना बच्चे, इसलिए कह दिया सॉइल इरोजन। देखो डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट है कि भी एयर में ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाएगी, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ जाएगी, साथ साथ सॉइल भी चली जाएगी। फ्लड्स तो इनडायरेक्ट है। ठीक है, इनमें से आंसर तो यही है बेटा, और तो कोई आंसर ही नहीं। यस, किसमें से पूछा था? द्रोणाचार्य में से 15, 16 कोई से रोल नंबर आ जाए बेटा। If a forested hill is clean for farming, what long time change may occur?
Option B.
Option B, landslides and loss of fertile topsoil. बिल्कुल ठीक है। Which soil air is richest in humus and supports most plant growth? Yes, Aurora, Arjun, कोई बताए? Aurora में से somebody else, कोई और, इन दो बच्चों को छोड़ दो। रोल नंबर टू, Aurora.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
हाँ जी मैम, बस मैं छोड़ रही हूँ। आई एम लीविंग द क्लास।
Students are leaving for the rehearsal and as well as research is going on right now.
ओके मैम, बस मैं ये एक दो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स बता दीजिए। विच सॉइल देयर इज रिचेस्ट इन ह्यूमस? दैट इज सबसॉइल। बिल्कुल ठीक है, इट इज सबसॉइल। क्या? एक मिनट, इट्स टॉप सॉइल आएगी बेटा, ऑप्शन ए। And in you can notice that after rainfall, the upper soil layer washed away. Which process? It is erosion. ठीक है जी, ये रीजन असर्शन करना, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम आंसर्स बता दूंगी। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, बाय बाय। थैंक यू टीचर्स।